go. All right, y'all. So I'm going to show you guys a breakdown of how to do these jack drills. You know, a very simplified version. Anybody can pick it up, your mama, your grandmama, your dog, and possibly your cat. So what we do here with our first jack, this one right here, I'm going to slow this down for you. You don't have to make that sound. I'm just trying to breathe through it. All right, so the idea is the gravity is going to take your hips down here, you know, and we're going to be doing this repeatedly to the beat. You know, most house rhythms are going to be like, what, 128, 160 beats per minute, so you're catching this, right? Your knees are going to be dropping like this. It's very common for everyone to think to tense up and like start to do this. You want to let that fluidity in your body, like say, take over and not feel like it's a squat. It's not a push down. It's just letting everything just chill and sink here. You're in this space, all right? That looseness in your body is going to be necessary to, you know, add on to your footwork and everything like that. So you have to be fluid here. You don't want to feel like you're stuck in this space because you're never going to really understand how to be free in this style. So I'll show you this from the side. Same thing. Most people like to do body rolls and take this down. That's also a way to like actually introduce this movement and still maintain the fluidity. Obviously, once you know the music hits, you're not going to have the same body roll. You're not going to get any of that. All right, it's going to be like real small and real tight. It's going to be right here. All right, but gravity here in your hips and your butt is going to take you down. All right, and your shoulders are going to like continue to drop as well. You don't want to sit too high. It's not up here. All right, it's a loose, very slouches type of movement here. All right, I also like to put more weight on my heels. So when I push this down, I kind of get this. All right, so I use the weight in my heels to let my toes turn out. This is pushing like all that energy out. Once that that gravity takes you, it's here. All right, you're letting all this out. Sometimes your hands can mimic your knees. I like to do this just to keep like the rhythm consistent from top to bottom. So sometimes it'll be here, sometimes it'll be quicker. Right, so we're here. They can cross, they can go side to side, okay? You have a bunch of different options for that. When we start to go with different angles, you want to keep like, your hips stable, all right? So what you do here is like, you don't want to let your body like too crazy right now, especially when you're going to start to work this. Your core is going to be kind of tight, and you want to try and work around this moment here in your hips. After a while, you can start to get freaky and start to, let your hips go places. But for this particular jack drill, you want to focus on having that control in this space. All right. Sometimes my feet can double up as well with that. That's like a little bit more of an advanced one. So if you can get used to this for a while, that's perfect. All right. The next drill that I show you guys is when we go up and down with this jack. It's a little bit tougher. All right. Your hips are going to go up like this. You're kind of like working up and down, up, down, up, down. So you kind of rolling through that motion, you're going up. When you do this, here, once you get to the top, all right, shoulders are going to rock just a little bit. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Up here, all right, that's kind of where your jack is. So if I took all this stuff out, I got this party right here. All right, so that's what you want up top. And like I said, your hips are going to push you through to that moment. So it's here, boom. When you drop back down, you're going to let that gravity take over from like the first jack, but it rolls right through. So it's a constant motion where you're just making this S, basically, and going up here. All right. Your rhythm for this is like 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. All right. That roll is like, very, very important in like, getting that structure of this movement here. All right. Also, with this jack drill, you can also push your heels out, because then when you go side to side, here's what you got. All right, that same jack drill can take you here if you want. I think that's pretty much it. All right, hopefully that works for you. If not, just play the video again and again. If you can play it in slow motion, try that as well. And yeah, good luck to you.